Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about your project Area Time Efficient Streaming Architecture for Fast and Brief Detector. In a recent convergence of highly stable image processing application will have sustained fast kernels and brief descriptors method. In this fast kernel brief architecture will have more complexity in arithmetic operation to perform summations of accumulations and streaming pixels for the smoothing operations. Therefore, this work presents a novel detector for computing fast and brief feature with using area, delay, energy efficient carry selector adder. Thus, it will decreases the quantity of logic gates in FPGA implementation compared to obtainable ripple carry adder based architecture. Hence, implemented this work in the proposed architecture 256 cross 256 grayscale images in smoothing operations of fast and brief detector architecture and prove the performance of PSNR SSIM. Similarly, this proposed architectures will have synthesized in Xilinx FPGA and compare all the parameters in terms of area, delay and power. Now we can verify the base paper. This is a base paper abstract. Okay. This is an overview of the fast brief architecture. So here they are taken as a 256 256 image size from this input. Okay, so one incoming pixel at every clock cycle. Once the input image pixel will passes through this input, it will be passes through directly averaging filter and also for this row buffer. Okay, here 6 row buffer will have. Okay, so this row buffer will work as a FIFO buffer. Okay, so we will be construct a 6 FIFO buffer at a depth size is 256. Okay, so in the width size is 8. Okay, because here we are using a grayscale image, that's why we are planned for 8-bit operation. Okay, so this 6 row buffers will passing the value one row buffer to another row buffer. Okay, so this row buffer output will come up to the input of another row buffer. Okay, it's a handshaking mechanism operation. Okay, after this row buffer filling, the average filter will take in the value. Okay, and it will be provide the 16 Beham points and center pixels and average pixel intensity. Okay, this average pixel intensity will calculated again. We are using 32 row buffers. Okay, so this 32 row buffers will come to the descriptor computations and it will be provide the value of at one clock cycle. Okay, and parallelly the average filter provide the value to the fast kernel detector. This kernel detector will processing the value of image smoothing. Okay, and image sharpening, that kind of things will be happen on this model. Okay, so it will be passes the value to again the this kind of row buffers. Okay, again 6 row buffers, and it will be construct the bright score unit and dark score unit. After that the image smoothing operations will come out of the this model. Okay, and this is the architecture of the averaging filter, and this is a baseline implementations of descriptor computation, and this is a DC proposed DC method, and this is a architecture of the proposed AF method. So this architectures we are implemented in Verilog HDL, and we are synthesized in Xilinx FPGA and simulated in Modelism software. Okay, so now I'll be shown the Verilog coding for this architecture. Okay, so here we are construct a Verilog coding for two different architectures. One is a ripple carry method based architecture, another one is a carry selector based architecture. That carry selector based architecture we are used this purpose. This is not a normal carry selector operation. Okay, normal carry selector operations means it will construct with a 2 RCA and 1 multiplexer based architecture, but this is to overcome that architecture. This is a existing architecture. To overcome that architecture, here they are used for HSG, HCG, FSG, FCG. Okay, half sum generation, half carry generation, full sum generation and full carry generation. This architecture it will more comfortable to use in the NSICE architectures. Okay, that means that this is a overall architectures. So here we will be change the NSICE. We can possible to use anywhere in other architecture, that means image processing, signal processing, that kind of thing. That's why we are used this adder on here to add the operations and subtract the operations. Okay, so here you are verified the architecture of EAF. It's having a row addition, column addition and SCM. Okay, single constant multiplication. So for this addition process we are used that adder, and will be reduce the logic size in the paper. Okay, and this is the existing architecture. Okay, it's a test bench. So here we are read out the input image from the MATLAB. Okay, this is the input image. Okay, here it's a totally hexadecimal file, input image from the MATLAB, and we are loaded into the this values to this coding, okay, using the file reading code. And this file reading code will return the data into the memory. After that we will be read out the data from this memory, okay. So this is a memory code, and this is a fast brief smoothing AF filter, okay. And this is a top model architecture, okay. So this top model architecture will contain the input of clock, reset, start, read data, and read address is the output, and external memory writing, and the descriptor output, okay. Descriptor output will contain a 256 output, okay. And this model will have number of components, okay. So first one is a controller. In the controller part, they are not added in the existing architecture of the paper, so will be added to write and read the image operations, okay. This is a n size row buffer code, and this is a averaging filter, and this is a fast corner detector, and this is a descriptive computation, okay. And this is a controller code, and this is a n size row buffer. This n size row buffer code will contain row buffer 6, so okay, 6 row buffer, and 6 row buffer for decryptions, okay, and 6 and 33 row buffer for descriptor computation, okay. This is a 6 row buffer code, okay. And this row buffers will have the FIFO buffer, okay, and this is a 33 row buffers, okay, code. And this is a one single row buffer code. It will have a FIFO memory 256x8, okay. And this is a code for averaging filter. It will averaging the value with support of row additions, column additions, and SEM, okay. This is a row additions code, column additions code, and SEM code. And this row additions code we are using here, this is a existing architecture based code, right. Here we are used a ripple carry adder 8-bit operation, okay. And column addition also we are used a ripple carry adder, okay. And this is a SEM, here also we are used a ripple carry adder, okay. So this is a fast corner detector. Here only we are used the score and the dot score unit for image smoothing operation, and this is a descriptor computation, and this is a DC block, okay. So proposed DC block operation, okay. So here the architecture, as per the architecture we are designing this code, okay. And we are having a simulation, okay. So this is a modelism software simulation output. So once we are read out the image data from the memory, okay, we will be splitted the pixel for 7x7 FIFO buffer, okay. Here the start will start the FIFO buffer operation, okay. So first of all, this FIFO buffer will read out from the controller, okay. The controller will give the pixel enable and pixel data to the row buffers, okay. So 6 row buffer. This 6 row buffer will receive the data, pixel enable and pixel data, okay. So this is a 6 processing, okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay. 6 FIFO buffer, once it will be filled, then after we will be given the value at every data at one certain period, okay. So whenever the pixel count equal to 0, okay. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So after the 0th pixels we are having a 6 FIFO buffer values, okay. So this 6 row buffer FIFO buffer values, okay. This value will be taken parallelly, okay. And this data will given to the average filter, okay. So this is the average filter, okay. It will receiving the value packet by packet, okay. Every 0th iteration it will come the RD data 1 to RD data 6, okay. It will receiving the value, okay. And it will bypassing parallelly to the fast corner detector, and it will calculating the average pixel intensity and also average central pixel, okay. And the fast corner detector will receive the value again from the support of the row buffer 6, okay. And it will reprocessing the architecture, and for one by one, okay. So it will receiving here, okay, and it will processing one by one, so 0 1 2 3 4, okay. And it will be calculating the brightness and darkness in the image smoothing method, and it's also written the data to the memory, okay. Again the writing operations of the memory, okay. After that it will given the data to the descriptor computation parallelly, okay. This is a descriptor computation. Finally the descriptor computation output to come up with the every clock cycle, okay. So this is the output, for the descriptive computation. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one is 256 bits, right? That's why it will come up with this kind of thing. Okay, so this is a 256 bit. Okay, and the proposed architecture coding here, the row addition, this is a proposed architecture coding. So the only thing is the row additions, we have changed the carry selector adder. Okay, column additions also carry selector adder, and the carry selector adder code. So this is a carry selector adder code. So it will construct with a HSG, CG, CS, FSG method. Okay, and this is a proposed simulation model simulation output. Okay, and here we have synthesized this code in Xilinx FPGA. This is an existing RCA based architecture. It will take number of slice registers 5039 and LUTs is 8793. Okay, and this is a proposed CSLA based architecture. It will take slice registers 4934 and LUTs is 8629. Okay, so here we can verify the number of areas here. Okay, so slice registers, slice LUTs, number of occupied muxes, IO bits, fan out. Okay, everything we can possible to analyze. And the place and route operation, you can analyze the delay. Maximum delay here it will be take 1.682. Okay, and power we can analyze tools X power analyzer. Okay, here we can construct the two powers. Okay, the existing power will take 0.699 and the proposed power will take 0.698, and this comparisons will be plotted in the document itself. This is a RCA based fast brief architectures. Okay, here you can analyze how much it will be take. So slice registers, slice LUTs, occupied slices, IO bits, delay and power. Okay, so here overall the concept of CSLA, everything will be reduced. Okay, and the input IOB will not possible to change. Okay, so that's why it will be maintain a same value, otherwise all the things will be reduced. And the RTL schematic we can possible to verify it in the proposed and existing method. This is a RTL schematic. Okay, so now we can verify it. Okay, so this is input. Okay, read data, so it will given to the controller. Okay, and the controller will given a pixel enable and pixel data. That pixel data we are given to initially the n size row buffer. Okay, so this n size row buffer will have row buffer 6 and again one more row buffer for fast decoder, and row buffer 33. Okay, and this is an averaging filter. It having a row addition, column additions. Okay, and SCM method. This is a fast kernel director. Okay, this is a descriptor computation method. Okay, and this is a proposed method of RTL schematic. Okay, and finally the image output we are shown in here. Okay, so this is an input image. The input image will take 43.8733 PSNR, then the output image PSNR will take 44.1413 value. Okay, you can compare the two images. It will have some more modifications in the smoothing. Okay, it will come up with some darkness and some whiteness. Okay, so that's why we can possible to analyze it here. Otherwise we can possible to analyze in the PSNR value and SSIM method. Okay, and we have written abstract document for this project. Here this is an abstract document. Title, base paper abstract, enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, carry selector adder notes and advantages, literature survey, and finally references. Okay, thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.